Hello and welcome to this fourth and final, for now, video tutorial of using 25 Live here at Moravian College. This tutorial is highly specific in that it is a process. So as you can see, I'm actually not on 25 Live right now. I'm crafting an email. And the reason for that is since Media Services has integrated within 25 Live, sometimes it becomes a little challenging to request media services in that there are some instances where you're not able to edit your reserved space. So in this instance, let's say I am a faculty member and I need Zoom in my class. My class space is not something I have the power to edit, but the registrar does. So what I'll do is email registrar@moravian.edu, and I will tell the registrar what it is I'm looking to do. So in my example email here, I said the title of my class, the day the class is being held, the timing of the class, and specifically what I was looking to do. When the registrar receives this email, they will go into 25 Live on your behalf, select media services for your class time, and tell the media services department what it is you're looking to do. And at that point, someone from media services will reach out to you and will make sure that you receive the support that you need. Most commonly, what people need in class space is something like Zoom, or they might need their class recorded. So if you need something like that, you need media services to come into your classroom and help you with Zoom or recording, feel free to email the registrar. The registrar's email, registrar@moravian.edu, and they will go into 25 Live, select media services for you, and get the ball rolling. If you have any questions about this specific process, feel free to email the Media Services Department account. So that is mediaservices@moravian.edu, and one of our team members will get back to you. And also, I said this was the last tutorial for now, but if you have any questions that you would like a tutorial to be created, again, feel free to email mediaservices@moravian.edu, and we'll see what we can do to help. Thanks for watching our tutorials, and we hope that you now feel a little bit more comfortable with 25 Live and the processes that have started since we have moved to 25 Live as our master calendar.